Cathedral. Wow, look at those lights. It's like a fairy tale come true. Lumiere, the UK's largest light festival, makes this historic place shine like a star. And inside, there's something super cool. Lights that change when you touch them. They even react to your heartbeat. Can you believe it? It's like the lights are dancing with us. Check out Carnaby Universe installation. It's not just lights, it's a celebration of everything awesome about Carnaby Street. So colourful and fun. And Covent Garden. Wow, it's like walking in a Christmas wonderland. The lights are so pretty. It feels like they're hugging the whole garden.